Hi guys, I am back with another video. Welcome back guys. What I'm gonna be doing today, I'm gonna stew some pork. Stew pork. I didn't season it on camera, but I can tell you all what I use. Okay. Alright, this is the pork. Already seasoned. I wasn't planning to do a video in a but come to my realization and say, no, we can do a video. Yes, I can video this, so that is what I'm doing. So I use pimento seeds, garlic, onion, scallion and thyme, ginger. Yeah, the nice things them. Yeah. So I'm gonna start cooking. Get off the seasoning. As I did the blending now. I did the blend my seasoning, so I have to separate the seasoning from the meat. Okay? Stew pork. So we take a look at time. Alright. Say whoop, 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 whoop. I'm about to taste. It looks so good. So nice, so nice. I'm gonna taste my pot. Get me a spoon. You know, we have to taste, you know. You have to taste. So, hmm, hmm, perfect. Stew pork, juicy and nice, tender, juicy and nice. So this is the finish. I'm gonna turn on my stove and just share a nice, just plate it nicely. Alright? Yes, so I've come to the end of another awesome video, guys. Give me a big thumbs up. Turn on the bell, put the settings on all. Yes, subscribe to the channel.